Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have solution for pool owners concerned about wildlife safety, the Pro Pool Animal Critter Escape Ramp. If you've ever found frogs or other critters struggling to escape your pool, this might just be the best solution on the market for you. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and why it stands out from the rest. First things first, let's talk about what makes the Pro Pool Animal Critter Escape Ramp such a standout product. Designed with both pool safety and wildlife preservation in mind, this ingenious device helps small animals like frogs, lizards, and even birds escape from your pool effortlessly. One of the standout features of this escape ramp is its durable construction. Made from tough 420D polyester and featuring an environmentally friendly PVC internal airbag, it's built to withstand the elements and ensure long-lasting reliability. Let me show you how easy it is to set up. Simply unfold the airbag, place it inside the mat, and inflate. The reflective strips on both sides help animals spot the ramp easily, ensuring a quick and safe exit from your pool. Now, let's talk about the benefits. By preventing animals from drowning in your pool, you're not only protecting wildlife but also saving yourself from the hassle and cost of pool maintenance due to debris and contamination. Compared to other critter escape solutions, the Pro Pool Ramp stands out due to its ease of installation and effectiveness. It's been designed with feedback from pool owners in mind, ensuring it meets the needs of both usability and durability. To wrap up, if you're looking for a reliable and humane way to keep frogs and other wildlife out of your pool, the Pro Pool Animal Critter Escape Ramp is undoubtedly one of the best options available. Its durable design, ease of use, and effectiveness make it a must-have for any conscientious pool owner. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Also, let us know in the comments if you've tried similar products or if you have any questions about the Pro Pool Animal Critter Escape Ramp. Until next time, stay safe and happy swimming.